Hello and good afternoon. Great to have your company here on Kalkine TV for the buzzing trends. As July kicks off, investors are eyeing shares that could provide them with dividends and boost their investment portfolios. Starting this week, ASX income investors will have many things to consider, including a few shares going ex-dividend. Market participants will only become eligible for next dividends offered by a company if they buy stocks of that firm before its ex-dividend date. So on that note, let's have a look at two ASX 200 listed shares scheduled to go ex-dividend this week, starting with GrainCorp, which is focused on the storage of grain and related commodities. GrainCorp shares are scheduled to go ex-dividend on Wednesday this week, July 6th. The company's board have announced a fully franked dividend 12 cents per share for shareholders in the company's half-yearly results of May 2022. In addition, GrainCorp has declared a fully franked special dividend of 12 cents a share, and shareholders will receive a 24-cent dividend on the 21st of July. The company's annual yield currently stands at 3.56%, and GrainCorp shares are in focus recently following a forecast by the Australian government that winter crop planting will be at the second highest on record, clocking in at 23.4 million hectares in 2022. And today, GrainCorp shares traded at $9.86, up by 1.47% this morning. The company stands with a market cap of $2.18 billion, and its shares have surged over 15% on a year-to-date basis. And the next and final stock to have a look at is Collins Foods, which operates food service retail outlets. The company's shares are scheduled to go ex-dividend on Friday, the 8th of July. And last week, the board declared a fully franked final dividend of 15 cents per share at the company's financial year 2022 results. Its full-year dividend stands at 27 cents, which is a rise of over 17% from the last financial year, and eligible shareholders will receive the dividend on the 14th of August. Collins Foods' annual yield currently stands at 2.69%, and the retailer has announced an 11% surge in revenue, while EBITDA rose 12.6% with continuing operations. Statutory net profit, meanwhile, after tax, rose 47.2%. Collins Foods shares traded at $10.26, up by 2.4% this morning. The company stands with a market cap of $1.17 billion, and its shares have declined, however, over 24% on a year-to-date basis as of July 4th. And with that is a wrap on the buzzing trends. Stay tuned for more on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.